Good morning, good morning, good morning mga kababayan. It's me again, Ernie, your founders of the Lions Group International, mga kababayan. In this video, I'm going to talk about our belief system. Your belief system, mga kababayan. For many years, we've been hearing the words like manana habits, Filipino time, hindi mo kaya yan, wala kang talent. All of this mga kababayan, and because of this, some of us are living under the influence of these negative ideas, negative thoughts from our parents, from our friends and relatives. Mga kababayan, here's a thing, and here's a good news. You can still change your belief system, mga kababayan ko, by just simply changing our mindset from negative mindset into positive mindset. Definitely, we can change our belief system by just simply reading good books, by just simply watching inspirational movies. With that, mga kababayan ko, we can really change our belief system and we can really mold the person we aspire to be, mga kababayan ko. And with that, mga kababayan ko, I do believe personally that you can make it happen. Bye for now, mga kababayan ko, and definitely you can do it. Bye for now.